Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S96 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner and tap to this button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Here we can find the location info button, so by just one tap we can turn off the camera location tags and turn them on as we need, and it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings and let's take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the photo looks like. To check its location, we have to just simply slide down. And as you can see here, we can see the location with map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.